If you cut pizza into 8 slices and eat 3, you've just used fractions. Fractions are everywhere in cooking, in music, even in finance. Today, we'll discover how fractions let us share freely and measure. A fraction is a way to represent a part of a wall. It has two parts. You have here A and B. A is called numerator and B is called denominator. Okay? And this is called fraction bar. This is called fraction bar. Fractions can look different, but they represent the same value. For example, I can write here 1 divided by 2 equal 2 divided by 4. And it's the same to write it 50 divided by 100. Okay? You have to understand this. I'm going to show you the operations with fractions. We have addition, subtraction with the same denominator. We have addition and subtraction with different denominator. We have here multiplication and also division. Okay? And first I'm going to show you addition, subtraction with the same denominator. For example, I have here 3, okay, fraction bar 8 plus 2 fraction bar 8. For example, we have this expression. The first thing you have to do is to identify the denominators. Look that the both fractions have the same denominator, 8. And what can we do right now? We have to add the denominators, okay? Because here we have 3 plus 2 and it equals 5. And we are going to keep the denominator. It's gonna be 5, okay? 8. Is this the way? You just have to add 3 and 2. You have to keep. Okay, and now I'm going to show you addition fractions with different denominators. For example, we have here 1 divided by 2 plus 1 for 3. Okay, we're going to use this expression. First, you have to identify the denominator. Look that here we have different situation like here. Here we have the same denominator, but here we haven't. And what can we do now? We have to find the last common denominator of 2 and 3. Okay? For example, 2 multiplied by 1 equal 2. 2 multiplied by 2 equal 4. 2 multiplied by 3 equal 6. 3 multiplied by 1 equal 3. 3 multiplied by 2 equal 6. Okay? And here we have 6. Here we have 6. So what can we do now? Next, we convert it fraction. Okay? We convert it fraction with this common denominator, 6. And for 1 of 2, we're gonna have 3 divided by 6. Okay? And here 1 for 3, we're gonna have 2 divided by 6. we convert this fraction to the same uh, denominator. And right now, what can we do? We have to write again. I have here 3 by 6, okay, plus 2 by 6. And right now, I can do the same that I did here. I'm going to add it here. I'm gonna have 5 because 3 plus 2 equal 5. And here I'll keep the same, okay? And now I'm going to show you how to use multiplication. For example, we have 2 for 3 multiplied by 4 by 5, for example. What can we do right now? Is it is you just have to multiply 2 4 by 4, okay? 2 multiplied by 4, you're gonna have 8. 3 multiplied by 5, you're gonna have 15. Is just this, what can you do? And here in division is not the same. I'm going to show you with this example. For example, we have here 3 5 by 4, okay, and 2 for 5. What can we do now? We have to multiply, but using this way. 3 multiplied by 5 and 4 multiplied by 2, okay. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. 4 multiplied by 2. If you enjoy this journey, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Together, let's keep walking to Ready to MIT.